24 years ago, I left my job at Wilver. I was at the Magnot station, and since then, even though I've come back and forth to Anglesey, I've come down the road by Pentraeth Automotive and I've turned left for 24 years. And I've been all over the world and done all sorts of different jobs, which I've loved. But in my heart, I've always wanted to come back. And when the opportunity came to come back to Anglesey with the great privilege of the job that I've got in the Wilver Newydd project, finally, after 24 years, I can turn right again. And I absolutely love being back. And you know, one of my sort of big observations is firstly a spaceship has landed in Cymru, which is remarkable, but also that the island itself has really transformed itself over the last 30 years, and it's really
so in your
exciting.
time moving back and forth, we've seen the changes, I guess.
Well, yeah, I mean, you know, I'd come back and forth because my family always kept a home in Llandegman, but I hadn't really engaged with either the sort of the business community, or even so much, you know, my trips back were sort of rushed and I was off doing something else. But actually to now have been back for 6 months and to see the regeneration of some of the towns and villages is remarkable.